All right, and finally, when you're all done, oh, I just noticed this up here. Remember, you're not supposed to have any logo showing. Let me fix this real quick. This is supposed to be in the last video. Let me fix that. Oh, sorry, that's a little loud. And fix that one. There we go. Julia Roberts up close isn't a bad decision.
And the Oscar goes to...
It's a little cropped there, but you can see a little bit still. It's just the only one that was available. There we go. All right. How to add the ABC logo and for it to appear on your video throughout the entire video. Make sure that you have 2 video channels. If you don't, you should have 2 video channels. If not, go ahead and add a video channel. Okay, video, and then add it. And then import the logo. It's in your drive. Okay, it's in that folder. It's the folder that I left you guys. Okay, it's in there. So you can see there's the ABC logo. So make sure you grab it, import it. I already imported it. Now you're gonna click and drag it down to that video channel. You can see it's really big, right? Now we're gonna size it down. Double click it. You're gonna turn on the grid. Make sure you turn that grid on. It's very important because we're gonna size it down. So we're gonna size it down like this manually. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. And then maybe where it fits the B right in the middle, maybe smaller than that. So let's go with a this size right here, 916 by 490 approximately. And now we're gonna put it on the grid. We're gonna put it right about up here, okay, right around this area. All right, you can see the numbers that I used here, and we can stick with that. Okay, let me turn off the grid. Maybe a little bit more inside like that. So I'm just eyeballing it here. Usually in the other apps, we have these guides, the actual safety guides and the safe TV guides. This doesn't have it, so we just have to eye it. All right, and then I believe that's it. There's a way to make it transparent, so you can make it transparent if you like. But hold on a second. I think it's in here somewhere. Now, let me save it and see how it appears like that. Let me go ahead and drag it all the way over. So we don't want to add it towards the, we want to remove it. Okay, we want to remove it when these text graphics come up. I guess it can just still stay there. It's okay, it'll stay there. All right, so now that should be good. And let's click the effects. I know there's a way to make it transparent. I'm sorry, I forgot where it was. Here it is, the opacity. Oh no, that's the fade, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's too bad. It's just gonna have to appear like that throughout the entire video, which I don't like it appearing solid like that. But that's okay. All right, but you're going to have to add now another track. Okay, we're gonna click there for a motion graph. We're gonna add the Oscars hashtag. And that's gonna be a lower thirds. We're gonna use what's called static, basic lower third without this box. Okay, we're gonna put that on top. All right, double click it, hashtag Oscars. Turn this off, and the way you turn it off, you go like this, all the way over, okay? And then see how it says hashtag Oscars, and we're gonna, yeah, there's no way to make it transparent. So, and then we're gonna make it, I'll show you how you can size it. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna move it over. Let's see what it looks like. Try to make the text about the same size as the ABC. Go a little smaller. So we're looking at about size 52 around there. Again, turn on your grid and you see you can match up the grid. I know it's very difficult. There's so many boxes here, so you have to eye it. So this is what I do. Just so it's on the same line. You can either, yeah, I'm gonna put it right even with that line right there. So hold on, let me try something. Okay, so it's fairly, so right there. So I'm gonna slide this one all the way over like this. See, I'm gonna stretch it out like this and put it right about there. I'm not moving the box, I'm expanding it by opening this guide right here like this. Okay, and then I wish this had, again, I wish it had a transparency, but it doesn't. And there we go. Now I'm going to stretch that all the way over, just like that. And then see the Oscars appears there, and it's even with this line.
Play Barry,
Again, I wish this was transparent. They're too bright, but it's what we have to work with. If your app allows you to, if some of you are using iMovie and Adobe Premiere or Final Cut, please make those a little lighter than what they are. We can't do them here in WeVideo.
I'm just.
All right, so that ends it. That completes it. Save this part till last, okay? Again, if you missed anything, go back and play any parts that you missed. You can always email me as well. Thank you, Mustangs.